Have you ever wondered where the future of AI and chatbots is headed? It's a question that tickles the minds of tech enthusiasts and ordinary individuals alike. Today, we stand at the precipice of a new era, where artificial intelligence and chatbots are not just a part of our lives, but also our companions, guides, and even teachers. These advanced technologies have come a long way from their rudimentary beginnings. Today, they possess the ability to perform tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans. They can engage in meaningful conversations, recommend products based on personal preferences, even diagnose diseases. They are an integral part of customer service, healthcare, and education sectors, to name just a few. Yet despite these remarkable advancements, AI and chatbots are not without their limitations. They lack the human touch, the ability to understand complex emotions and nuances of language. They can sometimes be rigid, unable to adapt to unpredictable situations. Clearly, there is still a long path of evolution ahead. This is where the visionaries come into play. People who are not only well-versed with the current state of AI and chatbots, but are also equipped with the foresight to drive these technologies into the future. Among such visionaries, one name stands out: Sam Altman. Altman is no stranger to the world of technology. He is the co-founder and CEO of OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research lab. His relentless pursuit of innovation and his commitment to making AI accessible to all have earned him a place among the greats in the tech industry. Just like the pioneers who shaped the digital revolution of the past, Altman is shaping the AI revolution of the future. He is pushing the boundaries of what AI and chatbots can do, challenging the status quo, and driving these technologies towards new horizons. One individual stands at the forefront of this technology, pushing its boundaries: Sam Altman. As we move forward, it's clear that the future of AI and chatbots is not just about technology. It's about the people who are daring enough to dream and bold enough to bring those dreams to life. To understand the future, we must first delve into the past. Let's turn back the clock to Sam Altman's early years. Born in the heart of the tech world, San Francisco, Altman was destined for greatness in the industry. From a young age, his curiosity for technology was evident. He'd often be found tinkering with gadgets, piecing together the puzzles of circuits and wires, or engrossed in the pages of a tech magazine. As he grew, so did his passion for the tech world. He absorbed every bit of knowledge he could, from coding languages to hardware specifications. His high school years were no different. While most teenagers were preoccupied with sports or social events, Altman was busy building his own software and dreaming of a future in the tech industry. After high school, he went on to attend Stanford University, a breeding ground for tech geniuses. Here, Altman's abilities flourished as he dove deeper into the world of computer science. It was during his time at Stanford that Altman began to see the potential of technology, not just as a tool, but as a catalyst for change. His first venture into the tech industry came with the launch of his first company, Looped. A location-based social networking mobile app, Looped was ahead of its time, and it gave Altman his first taste of success in the tech world. Then came his involvement in Y Combinator, a startup accelerator that has since become synonymous with Silicon Valley success stories. Altman's leadership and vision transformed Y Combinator into a powerhouse, aiding countless startups in their journey to success. With each venture, Altman's understanding of the tech industry deepened. He began to see the potential of artificial intelligence, the power it held to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. He saw the possibilities of AI, and he knew he wanted to be a part of its evolution. It was these experiences that set the stage for Altman's foray into the world of AI and chatbots. In 2015, a significant shift occurred in Altman's career, marking his entry into the AI industry. This was the year that Sam Altman, a man known for his entrepreneurial prowess and strategic vision, made a bold move. He joined OpenAI, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence research lab, as a co-founder. OpenAI was a beacon of promise, aiming to ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity. Altman's leadership at OpenAI was as dynamic as the man himself. He had a vision, a clear and distinct roadmap for the organization, which planned to make AI safe and drive its adoption across the broader society. His commitment was to ensure that AGI, the highly autonomous systems that outperform humans at most economically valuable work, benefits everyone. Under his guidance, OpenAI undertook several ambitious projects. One of them was GPT-3, an advanced language processing AI that could generate human-like text. It was a giant leap in the world of AI, demonstrating the potential of machine learning in understanding and replicating human language. Another exciting venture was Dactyl, a project aimed at teaching a robotic hand to solve a Rubik's Cube. It was a testament to Altman's belief in the power of reinforcement learning and its potential to advance robotics. But perhaps the most significant achievement was the development of AI models that were designed to understand and learn from human feedback, a crucial aspect of making AI safe and useful. This project was a major step towards Altman's vision of creating AI systems that could be controlled and influenced by human values. Throughout his tenure at OpenAI, Altman proved to be a visionary leader, always pushing the envelope, always striving for more. He played a pivotal role in shaping the organization's research trajectory and fostering a culture of innovation and excellence. Under Altman's leadership, OpenAI made significant strides in AI research and development. His influence continues to resonate in the AI community, shaping the way we think about and approach artificial intelligence. His legacy at OpenAI is a testament to his unwavering commitment to making AGI safe, beneficial, and accessible to all. The year 2019 marked another milestone in Altman's journey with the inception of ChatGPT. As the world was getting acclimated to the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, Sam Altman was already charting a new course. He was instrumental in the birth of ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model developed under the umbrella of OpenAI. It was no ordinary chatbot, but a sophisticated language model capable of generating human-like text, given a prompt. Altman's role in the creation and development of ChatGPT cannot be understated. He was the driving force, the visionary who saw the potential of AI in revolutionizing the way we communicate. With a team of dedicated researchers and engineers, he spearheaded the development of ChatGPT. The creation of ChatGPT was not just about developing a sophisticated chatbot, it was about pushing the boundaries of what was possible with AI. It was about creating an AI that could not just interact with humans, but also understand and respond intelligently. Altman was not just interested in creating a tool, he was interested in creating a companion. The evolution of ChatGPT has been remarkable. From its early days of simple text generation to its current capabilities of generating coherent and meaningful conversations, ChatGPT has grown leaps and bounds. And at the helm of this growth was Altman, guiding the team, inspiring innovation, and constantly pushing for perfection. Altman's vision for ChatGPT wasn't limited to creating an advanced chatbot. He envisaged a future where AI could be a companion, a helper, a teacher, and a friend. He saw a future where AI could enhance human life in ways we are just beginning to understand. The development of ChatGPT was a journey that saw many challenges and triumphs. But through it all, Altman's unwavering belief in the potential of AI was the guiding force. His passion and dedication have been instrumental in shaping ChatGPT into what it is today. ChatGPT was more than a chatbot. It was a testament to Altman's vision for AI. Altman's journey is far from over. His vision for the future of AI continues to shape the industry. As the man behind the curtain of OpenAI, Altman has always been a few steps ahead, leading the charge in a rapidly evolving field. His influence is not confined to the past. It is ongoing, ever-evolving, a testament to his innovative spirit and unyielding dedication. Sam Altman is not merely a participant in the AI industry. He is a visionary, a trailblazer, a titan of tech who sees beyond the current landscape and into the realm of what could be. His ingenuity and foresight extend beyond the creation of ChatGPT. They reach into the very fabric of our future, a future intertwined with artificial intelligence and chatbots. Altman's vision for the future of AI is one of integration and harmony. He sees a world where AI and humans coexist, where AI is not a threat but a tool, a partner in the quest for knowledge and advancement. He envisions AI as an essential part of everyday life, aiding in everything from personal tasks to complex business operations. But Altman's vision goes further. He sees AI as a catalyst for societal transformation, driving changes in education, healthcare, and industry. He imagines a world where AI democratizes access to information and resources, breaking down barriers and fostering global progress. Altman is not simply dreaming of this future. He is actively working to make it a reality. Through OpenAI and his other ventures, he is pushing the boundaries of what is possible, driving the development of advanced AI systems, and shaping the conversation around AI ethics and governance. His work is not just about technology, it is about people, about improving lives and creating a better, more equitable world. As we look towards the future of AI and chatbots, one thing is certain: Sam Altman will be at the forefront, guiding us into the unknown.